Hmm.
Good morning, sir.
Hmm.
We are all from SSGI Shri Shankaracharya Institute of College Bhilai, and we are from mechanical. My name is Harshit Srivastava. These are my two teammates. His name is Krishna Kumar Pandit and his name is Kanak Agrawal. This is our 7th SEM mechanical project, which is a hand winnowing machine. This is a manually operated machine which is used to separate the dust particle from the grain. Now, I am going to show the arrangement of the machine. This is our arrangement. It has a 3 spur gear in it and 2 idler gear. In it, it has 68 teeth, and this is pinion which has 18 teeth. 18 teeth, and this is our coupler which has 68.
In this project, we use 3 gears and 3 pinion and 2 idlers. 3 gears and pinion are used to increase the speed ratio, and 2 idler is used to maintain the standard height. Now, there are 4 shafts. One is input shaft, one is idler shaft, and third is output shaft. And this is called idler shaft. 8 bearings are used to support the 4 shaft, and one handle is used to operate this machine. The distance of handle from the input shaft is 1 feet, and in input shaft we use 2 gears, because we can also operate this mechanism by two handles. Right now I used only 1 handle, and for balancing we use 2 gears, because we can also use this device for 2 handle purpose. Okay. And now look, this is gear and pinion arrangement. The teeth of gear is 68 and pinion is 18. The speed ratio is 3.8 approximately. When we rotate handle by 1 RPM, then it will rotate about 3.8 RPM. There are 2 systems, 2 gear and element system. One is this and the second is this. The input shaft is this, and this is output shaft for first gear and element system. And this is input shaft and this is output shaft for second gear and pinion arrangement. The speed ratio is 3.8 and 3.8. And this is our idler shaft. The height of and this is our final shaft, output shaft. 2 idlers are used to maintain the height. The teeth of idlers is 100 teeth. 100. That's all. Now I show you the working of this model. Let us remove this handle by casting. So, as I move this handle, with this gear we convert the
Now I am going to explain the process of this arrangement. When we rotate the handle, it will rotate the spur gear and the pinion, which will increase the speed ratio gradually. The first arrangement is used to increase the speed ratio by 3.5 to 3.8, and we have a combination of 3 spur gear and pinion, which will further increase the speed ratio to 13.5 to 14 speed ratio. Now when we give RPM 30 RPM from the handle, it will gradually increase the speed of the fan to 300 RPM, which is sufficient speed to separate the light particle from the grains. Now this is the coupler which is used to maintain the sufficient height of the arrangement, so that the grain can be easily removed. And the handle and the arrangement of this handle is that the link is 1 feet from the center, which is so that we can easily rotate the arrangement.